Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Muhammad Hasnan, again with you guys today in a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today's topic is something I was recently going through a lot. I am a person, मैं एक ऐसा बंदा हूँ who likes thrillers. Horror हो गया, thriller हो गया, suspense or psychological horror, those kind of things, those kind of themes are my favorite ones. So I'm particularly interested in watching series that involve crime and killings and all of those things. Horror भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. I'm less of a romance comedy person. मुझे action, thrillers और horror बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Around half a year ago, I was repeatedly seeing this character called Hannibal Lecter appear around social media a lot, in comments, in places, and many people were talking about a character named Hannibal Lecter. So that sparked my attention क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी सालों से जानता था कि Hannibal Lecter is a character from a book called Silence of the Lambs alongside the Red Dragon book, जो कि मैंने recently पढ़ी भी, and it's interesting, it's amazing. तो हैनिबल लेक्टर का कैरेक्टर मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा और स्पेसिफिकली इट स्पार्क्ड माय अटेंशन क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी वक्त से सुन भी रहा था दैट इट्स एन अमेजिंग सीरीज एंड दैट इट्स a lot better than other series. I wanted to check it out. I wanted to see what the hype is all about. I started the Mads Mikkelsen's version of Hannibal Lecter that aired on the TV show recently, not recently, but matlab after 2000s. जिसका season 4 is still not out and I'm pretty sad about it not coming out. It was an amazing experience. I seriously loved watching that, and I felt like Hannibal was an interesting character. I really liked him as a character. I really liked most of the characters, and the fact that the show does a way better job at expressing and creating and making the characters more blossom instead of just these 4 or 5 characters like they did in the book, like Lana Bloom and Jack and all of those different characters. Okay, they weren't really that much. They never even got into depth with those things. And I then also reviewed the 19s version of Hannibal named Silence of the Lambs and this, that, the Red Dragon movie, all of those. So I did watch those, and it sparked my attention to a common trope I would see in social media, in a common trope I would see in movies, and a common trope I would see in cartoons, not cartoons, but in like different animations and series and movies and stuff. The topic of today is something that arises from my interest in Hannibal and his motives. Hannibal is a very big reflection of a character entirely developed because of his Machiavellianism, because of his Machiavellianistic tendencies, not even tendencies, he expresses and accepts it pretty openly. And that allowed me to go into the topic of Machiavellianism. नाम बहुत मुश्किल है मुझे पता है, but I'll explain what Machiavellianism is in just a moment. सबसे पहले हम समझते हैं Machiavellianism होता क्या है. ये वो थ्योरी है, इट्स नॉट इवन ए थ्योरी. जिस तरह के एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म एक यकीन है, इस तरह के नाइलिज्म एक यकीन है, आप एक चीज़ है उस पर यकीन करते हैं, उसी तरह माकियावेलियनिज्म ये यकीन है कि आपको लगता है कि ताकत के लिए, कि अमीर बनने के लिए, ताकतवर बनने के लिए, सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए आप लोगों को मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं, आप लोगों का गलत इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग यू लाइक विद पीपल as long as you are getting successful. That is what Machiavellianism is all about. Machiavellianism is really interesting because of the fact that we all at certain points in our life subconsciously have manipulated someone. हमने कहीं ना कहीं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, बिकॉज हम इंसान हैं, हमें औरों के बारे में काफ़ी अच्छे से पता चलता है कि ये इंसान, what is this person particularly prone to. So blackmailing, guilt tripping, emotionally blackmailing someone, all of these things, they come under manipulation. But to do it subconsciously and to do it consciously and accept that you're doing it consciously and to not go against it is entirely different. The concept कि आप इंसानों से और इमोशन से इतना इंडिफरेंट हो जाते हैं एक हिस्से ऑफ जिंदगी में कि आप माकियावेलिनिज्म को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं और आप ये यकीन रखने लग जाते हैं कि हाँ, अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग, बिकॉज इन द एंड I'm being successful, so what's a little sacrifice going to be in my success and in my success story? That reminds me of a certain thing alongside it, जिसके ऊपर मैं अभी बात करूँगा. So yeah, that reminds me of something. Wait a minute. So yeah, coming back to the topic, that reminds me that basically the idea of Machiavellianism as a whole वो arise करता है from a book called The Prince, written by Niccolo Machiavelli. सॉरी अगर मैं नाम गलत ले रहा हूँ, बट दैट इज द स्पेलिंग के मुताबिक ऐसा नाम आता है. सो माकियावेलिनिज्म, basically Niccolo or Machiavelli, if you want to use his last name, but Niccolo says in his book The Ruler that sometimes rulers, The Prince, the book's name is, किताब का नाम है The Prince, उसमें वो जिक्र करता है that rulers sometimes need to be strategic, cunning, maybe even ruthless to ensure their success to the fullest. इससे आइडिया अराइज करता है ऑफ माकियावेलिनिज्म. माकियावेलिनिज्म उन लोगों के साथ अक्सर अटैच होता है जो कि इमोशनली डिटैच्ड होते हैं, जो कि ताकत के पीछे भागने की कोशिश करते हैं. पीपल हु आर वेरी, आई वुड से पीपल हु डोंट केयर अबाउट अदर्स, पीपल हु आर इमोशनली डिटैच, जैसे मैंने कहा, पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी प्रोन to being manipulative, and people who have manipulative nature. And last but not least, we have people that view power as the main source of everything. इन लोगों के लिए they rule by a iron grip, a iron fist instead of feelings. माकियावेलिनिज्म साइकोलॉजी के अंदर एक कॉन्सेप्ट है द डार्क ट्रायड. Triad means three different things, the triangle of darkness in psychology. इसके अंदर आता है हमारे पास साइकोपैथी, टेंडेंसीज टू नॉट केयर अबाउट अदर्स, टू साइकोपैथी एक अलग ही बात है और साइकोपैथी पर अक्सर बात होती है. एंड साइकोपैथी इज वेरी कॉमन टू सी इन मूवीज, इन अदर थ्रिलर्स. तो साइकोपैथी के बारे में सब जानते हैं, एवरीबडी नोज दैट. माकियावेलिनिज्म, जो कि मैंने काफ़ी कम देखा है कि एक सीरीज के अंदर इस्तेमाल किया हो. So the character of Joe Goldberg, the character of, I could say maybe the character of Kira from the anime called Death Note, the character of Hannibal Lecter from, of course, Hannibal, the series. So all of these are the characters that I feel to somewhat extent represent Machiavellianism, and they represent the emotion and the feelings and the missing of those feelings in a Machiavellianistic person. और तीसरे पर हमारे पास जो सबसे weak emotion है, all of these other emotions, they make you smart, they make you powerful. The third one is weak, and it just makes you weak. It doesn't give you any kind of genius, it doesn't make you any kind of ruthless person. It does make you ruthless, but it makes you weak. By that I mean it makes you fragile, have a fragile ego. और जो तीसरा है वो है हमारे पास narcissism. Narcissism is very interesting because of the fact that many people don't even understand what narcissism correctly means. Narcissism is not कि आप अपने आप को लव करते हैं. Narcissism is not कि आप औरों को इज्जत नहीं देते. Narcissism is it's a combination of things. और अगर आप इसको सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस तरह डिफाइन करते हैं that narcissism is just the feeling of, oh, I don't like this person, ये ऐसे होगा, ये वैसे होगा, that's wrong. I feel like that's entirely wrong. क्यों? Because narcissism is very clearly defined by not just feelings of, oh, that is wrong, oh, that is right. Narcissism is very much about yourself. You don't care about others, you don't care about what others go, and you don't care about what people think about you as a narcissist. It's truly one of the most disgusting of the dark triad, because psychopathy is a mental condition. It can be treated. Machiavellianism does not make you stupid, does not make you fragile, it makes you actually more cunning. एंड लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम्स आप ये कॉर्पोरेट लैडर के अंदर माकियावेलिनिस्टिक टेंडेंसीज वाले लोग, या जो लोग माकियावेलिनिज्म के अंदर बिलीव करते हैं, या जो लोग सबकॉन्शियसली माकियावेलिनिस्ट हैं, या जो लोग सबकॉन्शियसली मैनिपुलेटिव हैं, आप उन लोगों को काफ़ी कॉर्पोरेट लैडर के साथ इनकाउंटर करेंगे. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, today we talked about Hannibal Lecter, a bit of his character. I won't be going into depth because spoilers be there. I won't be going into depth. So that was Machiavellianism. Narcissism के बारे में थोड़ी बात की गई, the dark triad के बारे में बात की गई, and about a few different other things. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.